Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to Bolt.new. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is come over to Bolt.new, sign into your account, and then find that project you're working on. So I'm working on this simple baby app for this demonstration. Now, once we're inside of here, we want to go ahead and find the gear icon to click onto more options. Now, if we scroll down under integrations, we can go ahead and add Stripe payments here. So add payments to your project. So click onto that. Now, little boxes are going to appear where we need to enter your Stripe API key. So we need to go ahead and put in our API key here. So to do that, we need to head on over to Stripe. So open up your Stripe dashboard, then we need to go to developers and click on API keys. Now, either we can copy the publishable key, so it starts with PK_live or PK_test, or secret key, which starts with SK_live or SK_live test. Now, once you go ahead and click on to retrieve my products, that's going to enable your Stripe payments inside of your project or application, whatever you're making.